Hello, cheers and sláinte to 2026. So I hope you all had a good Christmas and New Year, but now it's the new riding season is fast approaching. So where are we going to go and how are we going to get there? Well, one of the things you can do to help you get there is have one of these things, one of these Aocci series of displays that help you navigate. They also do many other things like monitoring your tyre pressures, and in the case of the C6 Pro, which I already have attached to my bike, it also does your front and rear dash cams. And of course, because these use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, they're pretty much universally compatible, and the chances are you will already know how to operate one of these. There's just a few simple things to navigate first. So what I'm intending to do today is I'm going to do a quick unboxing, just go through all the basics, and then I'm going to review some of the features, again, straightforwardly. Don't forget, I've already done a lot of this stuff because I've reviewed the C6 Pro, and that has an awful lot in common. So there's just some differences, slightly less features, but a more compact setup that may suit you better. And also, of course, at less cost. So win-win for all. And I'll be offering a discount on this for people, but one lucky viewer will take home this particular one. So they're going to be a channel giveaway, but not yet. Unboxing first, and then a quick feature review, and then I'll come back to you.
The Aocci C3 comes in a well-constructed box, easy to get out, as you can see by my fumbling about. The main display unit comes on the top, and there's power leaders attached to the back. It's a sturdy aluminium constructed thing with an IP rating, I think of IP67, so pretty much waterproof in almost any situation. Power leads connect to the battery. Remember, connect one to the accessory lead. It comes with all the tools you need. This is the USB supply, which is really quite important if you're going to have it detachable. Mounting kit is slightly different depending whether you get the C3 Pro or Plus, and there are some zip ties and other bits and pieces, including all the tools you need and all the bits and bobs to connect your handlebar, and finally a screen protector. Plus there's some fairly brief instructions, but are quite well written for this sort of thing. Bear in mind it doesn't come with the front and rear dash cams. That's an optional thing you have to buy separately. QR code gets you more info, but basically it is pretty straightforward.
This is something that will take the average semi-competent mechanic about 15 minutes to actually fit. I do highly recommend you connect direct to the battery if you can, but remember that one of the terminals has to be connected to the accessory outlet and not direct to the battery, otherwise it'll be on all the time. That's in the instructions, should be fairly simple. Or if you're a city dweller and have concerns about leaving something like this bolted to your handlebars, then you can purchase the quick release mount and use the USB connection if you've got a USB connector, and that enables you to take it off, put it on at relative ease, and perhaps increases your safety if you're living in an area which has a degree of crime and is less attractive to those tea leaves who like to take things for some reason.
Coming up in part 2, I'll be doing a review of the features of the Aocci C3. Now, for those of you who already have Android Auto or CarPlay, this is probably not an essential part of the process, but what is essential is that you subscribe, because one of you could win this device for absolutely bugger all. Well, on that note, let's end this video and see you in the feature review.